Am I alone today? Hey, I'm Megan Mitchell, and I'm here in the Thrive Market Test Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to make pistachio butter. You may have had peanut butter, or almond butter, or cashew butter. Have you ever had pistachio butter? It's really easy to make. It's 2 ingredients. It's pistachios and salt, but you don't have to add salt if you don't want to. But before I get started, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe. And if you're wondering what Thrive Market is, it's an online market that sells non-GMO and organic products straight to your door. All right, let's get started. I have 2 cups of unsalted roasted pistachios, but like I said, you could do this with almonds or peanuts or cashews or whatever. You could even mix them. You want to get wild? Make a mixed nut butter? Man, why not, right? I am making sure these are unsalted so I can control, because I'm a control freak, I can control how much salt is in my butter. Okay, let's do it. So what you need is a pretty strong food processor. If you have a janky one, this will take forever and you might not get a super smooth butter. So good food processor, pistachios in. And a pinch of salt. You don't have to add the salt if you don't want to, if you want to keep it just completely plain. And this whole process, before it starts, because it's going to be really, really loud, I'm going to explain to you what it'll look like. It'll go from breaking down the nuts, it'll look like finely chopped nuts, and then it'll start to come together slowly. And I'm not adding any oil. The natural oils from the nuts will release, and that will make it smooth and creamy. So it'll start to break down, and then it'll turn into a ball, and it'll kind of go around, and if you need to push it down, and then it'll go around again, and then it'll smooth out and become creamy. It's kind of wild to watch. So if you're doing it for like 2 or 3 minutes, you're like, it's not working, give it a couple minutes. This takes 5 to 7 minutes, also depending on your processor. It'll take a little bit, but don't give up. This is it. Okay. And if it starts to creep up the sides, just push it down a little bit. You can just go in with a little offset spatula and just push this back down. It smells really good. Let's start it up again. Okay, so now you can see that it's a ball, and then it'll smooth out into a creamy nut butter. That's crazy, yeah? How it comes together like that? I mean, that's wild. We didn't even add oil, and it looks like nut butter. This is just a plain pistachio base, and you can keep it like this on its own, but I'm gonna show you how to make a vanilla flavor. There's also a chocolate flavor, but I'm gonna show you how to make a vanilla flavor, and it starts with vanilla extract. Just add it straight to the food processor. And this dried up a little on me, so I needed to add liquid coconut oil. You could add, if you're allergic to coconuts, you could add any sort of neutral oil, light neutral oil. Maple syrup, you could add honey. I just wanted to keep it vegan. And then to add even more vanilla flavor, I'm going to do a vanilla bean. Lovely. And don't throw away your bean. I like to stick it in sugar and make vanilla sugar. You can also make vanilla extract with it. There's a lot of different ways to use the seed, the bean itself. The seeds are in here. This is the bean. Don't throw it away. Don't throw away your bean. Okay, gonna blend this back up just until it comes together. Scrape down the sides as needed. You can tell it's ready because it smooths out and coats the bottom of the food processor. I don't think I've really ever seen pistachio butter in the store, so I think this is just a cool way, and hopefully that showed you how easy it is to make at home, right? It's like kind of surprising how easy that is. I'm gonna give this a taste. It's super smooth and creamy, which is kind of surprising. Like, you'd think it'd be kind of grainy. It's not at all. It's light, it tastes like pistachio with a hint of vanilla. And I like that you can flavor it with whatever you want. Whatever you like, add to it. I hope you guys make this and give this a try. If you do, please let me know. Let me know how it works out. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. So this is just my plain This is just my plain. You want to walk by?
Thank you.
She has to ask me before she does anything. You can drink your water too.